A lot of clients that come to us require, part of their brief is they just want low maintenance and they want to be assured of quality. They don't mind spending the money. So basically, in considering that, they want a mixed package of a good quality inverter system coupled with good quality panels that's going to give the longer warranties and make sure that the company that installs it's going to be around to provide that back-end service. A lot of people suffer bill shock, and to reduce that, we consider that solar is a very good hedge for their requirements, which can be anywhere from 50% right up to 80, 100% if you take in consideration their feed-in tariff. So a lot of our customers are now getting ready for battery-ready systems, which we've been quite busily providing, and some have gone to the extent of actually wanting a battery now, and we call those type of people an early adopter, where it's not so much the money, they just want it for their own energy security. Yes, some of the design challenges that we face, because we're in a green leaf environment and with a lot of rainfall, some customers, especially in the residential area, do get potential shading or over time shading issues. So we've got to address those with certain type of products to optimize those systems. Final part with regards to our aspect is the heat. So temperature coefficient for the panel is crucial. So an ideal system that we consider for a lot of residential customers is stick to high quality, 25-year product warranty. You can't stress enough in regards to the quality that needs to be deployed, and we look at the monetary cost more of a secondary.